Right here I have this nice little Black & Decker microwave, and open it like this, and the only thing that I don't like about it right now is a safety feature that is required to be included now. So let's say I start to heat something up and then it stops. I am not able to open this up. I have to go up here and hit door open and it will unlock this, which is a nice feature if you have kids or something that you want to keep safe. But if you don't have to worry about that, what you can do is change that setting. And the way to do that is to push the number 7 and then the number 9 and then this door open right here. You hold that down for 3 seconds. So 7, 9, hold this for 3 seconds and it will show unlock. And now when you heat something up, you can open the door. And don't worry, you can make it so that will work again by doing the same exact thing. 7, 9, hold the door open button for 3 seconds and it'll say lock. So now, again, when you heat something up, stop it, it is now locked. But I want it unlocked, so I'm going to change it back. Very simple, but it took me a while to actually figure out how to do that, and now I know, so it's not going to be as annoying as it was when I first got this microwave. If you had that same problem, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.